taking you higher. We are Cloud 7. Salamat po!
Excited pero kinakabahan rin. Pero ano po, masaya naman po kami dahil since it's a charity concert ko, we will get to kailangan po kami matutulungan. To the people who we devote and offer our concerts to, we say that pag po kayo sa soup ko and kung ano mga problema natin sa life is kaya po natin lagpasan yun. And nandito po kami to be inspirations po so that anything is possible po and we just have to keep on fighting. We're here for you. It's gonna be a relaunch of Cloud 7 as a whole. You're gonna see another side of Cloud 7, a different side. The more babyish side, no more youngest people group side. Pero yun po, we will still maintain that youthful and freshness of Cloud 7 po. Pero nga po namin si Miguel kasi
idol po nila.
Ross. Pero syempre lahat po kami dito gusto po maging actors pag bibigyan po ng chance.
As a group, no guys?
Alam mo yung bata ringless ko may kasunduan po.
Si Fian gusto na bumubunggan. Parang release po ninyo na po si Fian kahit yung sinasagasaka.
Kahit isang second na po ba sila mag-gano'n?
Your coaches, si Kapak ni Miguel, Erdogan.
Gusto ko po mag-host po. Like, dati po nung nasa elementary po ako nag-host po, nagka-commentator po sa church. So, feel ko kaya ko naman.
Siyempre, feeling ko. Girls and girls, 1, 2, 3, G!